In most countries, an engine with 150,000 miles is considered old. People start budgeting for a replacement. But in Japan, the same engine at 150,000 miles is barely considered broken in. Japanese taxi fleets routinely run the same powertrain past 400,000, even 500,000 miles without a rebuild. Same metals. Same basic oil chemistry. So what are they doing that the rest of the world is not? These are the Japanese engine longevity secrets that mechanics outside Japan rarely talk about. And if you take nothing else from this video, stay for secret number 1. That single habit alone separates engines that die at 150,000 miles from ones that run forever. Let us start. Secret number 13. The warm drain principle. Most people drain engine oil whenever it is convenient. Cold morning before work. Quick change at a shop that barely ran the engine first. Cold oil is thick and flows slowly. Contaminants suspended inside it, combustion byproducts, microscopic metal particles, fuel residue, begin settling when oil cools. They collect in low-flow areas inside the engine. When you drain cold oil, a significant portion of that contamination never leaves. It stays behind and mixes immediately with your fresh oil. From the very first moment, your new oil is already compromised. Warm oil behaves completely differently. At full operating temperature, contaminants stay evenly suspended throughout the fluid and drain out with the oil instead of staying behind. The fix is simple. Drive for 10 to 15 minutes before every oil change. Drain it warm. Not cold. Not overheated. Just properly warm. This single step reduces contaminated residue left behind at every service, and that residue is exactly what shortens engine life over time. Secret number 12. The full drain weight. Here is where most oil changes go wrong even when everything else is done correctly. The drain plug comes out, oil pours down, the stream slows, and within 5 minutes the plug goes back in. But oil does not drain all at once. After the main stream stops, oil is still returning from the valve train, the camshafts, the upper oil galleries. It clings to metal surfaces and moves slowly. That last oil returning to the pan is the most degraded in the entire system. It has been exposed to the highest heat and broken down the furthest. If you close the drain too early, that oil stays inside and mixes directly with your fresh fill. Japanese mechanics do not rush this step. After the main flow slows, they wait 10 to 20 minutes minimum. It costs nothing except patience. But over hundreds of oil changes across an engine's lifetime, that patience compounds into dramatically cleaner oil chemistry at every single service interval. Secret number 11. The oil film principle. Inside your engine, moving metal parts never actually touch each other under normal conditions. They ride on a pressurized film of oil so thin it is often narrower than a human hair. As long as that film stays stable, wear is minimal and the engine can run for hundreds of thousands of miles without meaningful damage. But the moment that film breaks, even for a fraction of a second, metal contacts metal. Wear begins. Not dramatically. Not in a way you notice immediately. But at a microscopic level, repeated thousands of times per minute, the damage accumulates. Understanding this changes everything about how you approach oil changes. The goal is not just to replace dirty oil. The goal is to ensure that protective film never has a reason to fail. Clean oil, correct viscosity, stable pressure, minimal contamination. All of it exists to protect that film. Compromise any part of the system and the engine pays for it slowly and invisibly. Secret number 10. Cold start discipline. This is the moment of highest vulnerability for any engine. Every time you turn the key from cold, there is a brief window where oil has not fully circulated. Pressure has not stabilized. Oil is still thick and slow. Critical components are operating in a condition called boundary lubrication, where metal surfaces are closer to contact than they should ever be. This happens on every single cold start for the entire life of the engine. Japanese mechanics work to reduce the stress it places on the engine at every opportunity. Clean oil with strong additive packages reaches tight clearances faster. Correct viscosity flows quickly even before full temperature. And not revving the engine hard immediately after startup gives oil 30 seconds to circulate before load is applied. That 30-second habit repeated across thousands of cold starts protects the engine during its most vulnerable moment every single day. Secret number 9. Filter selection logic. Most drivers treat the oil filter as an afterthought. Any filter that fits the thread is considered good enough. Japanese mechanics treat filter selection as a critical engineering decision because filters vary in filtration efficiency, flow resistance, and cold start performance. The anti-drainback valve inside the filter is one of the most overlooked components in the entire system. This valve prevents oil from draining out of the filter when the engine sits overnight. Without a reliable valve, the filter empties between drives and the engine must refill it before pressure can fully build at the next startup. That adds seconds to the most dangerous phase of every cold start. Japanese practice is straightforward. Use OEM-grade filters designed specifically for your engine. Replace the filter at every single oil change without exception. The filter is not an accessory. It is an active part of the lubrication system and deserves the same attention as the oil itself. Secret number 8. The gasket preparation step. This is the step most home mechanics and quick lube shops skip entirely. Before installing a new oil filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to the rubber gasket around the filter neck. Just enough to lubricate the surface evenly. This allows the gasket to seat evenly against the engine block, creates a consistent seal that maintains stable oil pressure, and prevents the gasket from bonding to the engine surface, making the filter easier to remove at the next change. Installation torque matters equally. Hand tight plus a 3/4 turn is the standard. Over-tightening deforms the gasket and creates pressure inconsistencies. Under-tightening allows slow leaks that reduce oil level gradually between changes. This takes 10 seconds and protects oil pressure stability for the entire service interval. Japanese mechanics treat it as a non-negotiable ritual, not an optional step. Secret number 7. The controlled refill method. Most people treat the refill as the simplest part of an oil change. Pour in the oil, check the dipstick, done. Japanese mechanics apply the same discipline here as everywhere else. Instead of pouring the full capacity in one go, they add approximately 80% first. Then they pause and allow oil time to distribute throughout the engine, into the filter, through the galleries, coating internal components. After 2 to 3 minutes, they check the dipstick and top up gradually. Checking too quickly after a full pour can give a false low reading, leading to overfilling. And overfilling is not harmless. When oil level is too high, the crankshaft contacts the oil surface and churns tiny air bubbles into the fluid. Aerated oil cannot maintain a stable pressure film. Lubrication efficiency drops. Seal stress increases. Correct oil level is not a minor detail. It is a fundamental requirement for stable lubrication at every single drive cycle. Secret number 6. Interval reality. Manufacturer-recommended oil change intervals are calculated under ideal driving conditions. Consistent highway speeds, moderate temperatures, minimal idling. Real-world driving looks nothing like that. Short trips where the engine never fully warms up. Stop-and-go city traffic. Cold starts in winter. Turbocharged engines running at high heat. All of these conditions accelerate oil degradation significantly. Fuel dilution increases. Moisture builds up inside the crankcase. Additive packages break down faster than laboratory testing predicts. Japanese maintenance philosophy does not follow manufacturer intervals blindly. It adjusts intervals based on how the car is actually being used. Under real-world mixed driving conditions, changing oil closer to every 3,000 to 4,000 miles ensures the oil in your engine always retains strong protective chemistry. An engine running consistently clean oil ages at a fundamentally different rate than one running oil stretched to the edge of its service life. Secret number 5. Overfill avoidance. There is a common belief that adding a little extra oil gives extra protection. In reality, it introduces new problems. When oil level is too high, the rotating crankshaft comes into contact with oil in the sump, creating a churning effect called aeration. The oil mixes with tiny air bubbles that reduce its ability to maintain stable pressure between moving parts. Lubrication efficiency drops and unnecessary stress is placed on seals and the crankcase ventilation system. Japanese maintenance practice is strict about staying within the correct oil level range. Not above it, not below it. The goal is consistency, not excess. More oil does not equal more protection. Correct oil level equals stable lubrication. That principle applied at every single service is what keeps internal components protected across hundreds of thousands of miles. Secret number 2. The shaken mindset. In Japan, vehicle ownership is shaped by a mandatory inspection system called shaken. Every few years, vehicles must pass comprehensive safety and mechanical checks enforced by law. Because of this system, Japanese owners do not wait for problems to appear before addressing them. They maintain continuously because the cost of failing inspection is far higher than consistent preventive maintenance. That mindset transforms how every service is approached. An oil change is not a chore delayed until the warning light comes on. It is a scheduled opportunity to keep the engine at its intended standard. Small issues get addressed before they compound. Fluids stay fresh before they degrade. Wear is managed before it becomes visible damage. This is the fundamental difference between reactive and proactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance is expensive and unpredictable. Proactive maintenance is controlled and directly responsible for the extraordinary engine longevity Japanese vehicles consistently demonstrate. Secret number 1. Kaizen consistency. This is the principle that holds every other secret together. Kaizen means continuous improvement, not perfection achieved once. Improvement repeated every single time. Engine longevity is never the result of one perfect oil change. It is the result of hundreds of careful, consistent services performed without shortcuts over years and decades. Each change where the oil is fully warm before draining. Each filter installed with a lubricated gasket and correct torque. Each refill checked carefully at the correct level. Each interval timed to real driving conditions rather than optimistic manufacturer estimates. Individually, each of these steps seems small and easy to rush when time is short. But repeated consistently across the life of an engine, they compound into something remarkable. Japanese taxi engines do not reach 500,000 miles because of exotic materials unavailable to the rest of the world. They reach those numbers because every ordinary maintenance action is performed with intention and discipline every single time without exception. That discipline costs no more than the oil and filter you are already buying. The only difference is the care and consistency you bring to the process. Start applying these secrets at your very next oil change. Your engine will still be running long after the ones that skipped these steps have been replaced. If this changed how you think about engine maintenance, hit that like button now and subscribe so you never miss the next one. Comment below telling us your mileage, your car, and where in the world you are watching from. We read every single one. Click the next video right now because what is coming next will show you the Japanese fuel economy secrets that cut consumption by up to 30%. Most drivers are wasting fuel every single day without ever knowing why.